The WorkCenter from ManufacturingPower is the easiest way to manage your MRO and industrial supply spend. There are 3 key ways we can help you manage these day-to-day and strategic processes in your business. The first is properly organizing and managing all your hundreds and hundreds of MRO and industrial supply part numbers. We all know, keeping these organized can go south quickly if mismanaged. The WorkCenter lets you manage all of these by identifying and matching manufacturer and distributor part numbers, by giving a real-time pricing summary versus the market, and providing historical reference data. Then, there are trigger-based action items. These are cost savings opportunities that are constantly updated so you can see exactly where your biggest cost savings opportunities lie with your preferred suppliers. Finally, your team can put this data to work. Create real buying and negotiation leverage with the power of data-driven analytics generating bottom-line results. In this demo, we're going to cover data organization first. The WorkCenter lets you upload your part files in seconds. Using our basic format, we suggest you start by uploading a particular category, such as fasteners or tooling. With a simple drag and drop function, we auto-save your files by date for reference later. From the start, we work with you to implement your upload schedule to optimize your cost savings data. Once data is entered, the WorkCenter makes it easy to understand. Export data to Excel and CSV files. You can also create PDFs to send internally, or if you have multiple locations, compare your data with theirs. Documenting your data is great, and it's something you should definitely be doing. But where the WorkCenter really excels is in actually exposing cost savings and helping you leverage market data, negotiating with your suppliers, and giving your team the confidence to execute on these opportunities every time. That's where the WorkCenter is really different. With the WorkCenter, you can turn your data into action items. The first action item is a trigger-based action item produced in what we call the hit list. The hit list provides market price transparency and automatically shows you where your cost savings opportunities lie. Where trigger-based actions are really powerful is when you connect them with other functionality. Take action by instantly adding hit list items to an RFQ in small batches or all at once. Then, by creating and emailing the RFQ individually or blind copying a group of your preferred distributor partners. Keep in mind, we run this process for every new client, and as the WorkCenter database grows, more and more items will appear on your hit list. Once you establish a workflow process in the WorkCenter, track activity from the dashboard and see high-level impactful analytics. These are some of the things you can do with the WorkCenter from ManufacturingPower. Thanks again for taking the time to check out our process, and I look forward to talking to you soon.